Genie Industries, a leading manufacturer of aerial lifting equipment, has been setting new standards for innovation in the aerial lift and access equipment industry since 1966. And today, through Genie Access Services, offering you the ultimate in equipment by combining our renowned product quality and reliability with the unmatched value found in every new or used Genie lift. Our commitment to carefully refurbish used Genie lifts to exacting quality standards extends the value originally found in every Genie product, beginning with a comprehensive inspection process and ending with a full 90-day warranty. Our refurbishment program can provide you with a previously owned Genie product at a very attractive price. Let's take a look at how Genie Access Services builds new value into a used piece of equipment. Genie Access Services utilizes a dedicated workforce of factory-trained technicians who undergo training by the service department of Genie Industries.
Initially, quality assurance professionals work through a comprehensive checklist, which identifies the overall condition and grade of each unit that is accepted into our refurbishment program. Then, they carefully note the condition of key critical components. This group will also monitor the work that needs to be done as the unit progresses through the later stages of the refurbishment process. Let's start the machine inspection process. First, the machine's structure and functionality are tested. All platform controls are then inspected, with particular attention given to the condition of individual components. Following this, the boom assembly is inspected, and the structural integrity of this important subassembly is evaluated. Particular attention is also given to the boom assembly's other key components, such as pins and bushings, and the boom cylinder and manifold. Then, each section of the chassis, from the steer cylinders and tie rods to kingpins, bushings, and torque hubs, is carefully checked. Other components such as brakes, hoses, and tires are also inspected. The engine and pump assembly and hydraulic tank assembly and associated components are also inspected and their condition noted. At the ground control location, all individual function controls and switches are tested and the box enclosure and internal wiring is visually inspected. It is at this point that the inspectors then partner with the refurbishment team and replace those parts which were identified earlier as non-functional or important to the future safe operation of the unit. Then, the refurbishment team starts preparing the unit for both prime and final paint. After all loose dirt is carefully removed, the unit is prepped and then painted in Genie blue colors. Once the final coat of paint is dry, the unit is again reviewed by a quality assurance inspector. And those components requiring replacement are now assembled on the machine. If a new platform control box is needed to replace one which earlier showed excessive wear or damage, a new box is outfitted on the unit and its internal wiring is tested by trained technicians. All platforms are then replaced with a new Genie platform. One of the final stages of refurbishment is ensuring that all operator and safety decals are installed and readable, and that the newly refurbished lift has all manual holders with operator and other manuals present and securely in place. All other product identification decals are then applied before the unit is handed over for its last phases of inspection. Here, the unit will undergo a full range of function testing to ensure that all controls are operating properly.
The final stage of the refurbishment program is a last, thorough inspection by the quality assurance team, ensuring that their work noted earlier has now been completed. Each unit is now put into a ready-to-ship status and available for immediate delivery.
And delivered to you or your customer, complete with a 90-day warranty. Where can you find all of these affordable refurbished aerial lifts?
At www.usedaerialsforsale.com, the internet site operated through Genie Access Services. Here, you can easily point and click your way to incredible value by browsing a wide selection of used aerial equipment.
And an independent third-party inspection and certification firm evaluates every unit listed. Every refurbished Genie unit sold by Genie Access Services and listed on this site comes standard with a 90-day parts and labor warranty, giving you added peace of mind above and beyond independent inspection and certification. Please note, however, Genie Access Services is currently only refurbishing Genie brand aerial lifts. You'll also discover lift equipment from other equipment manufacturers, which have been inspected for safety and repaired if necessary. These lifts are not refurbished, but sold as is, allowing you the opportunity to customize your fleet needs or to explore the option of trading in the other brands you may own in exchange for higher value, more affordable Genie refurbished lifts. Genie Access Services, making a difference in the aerial lift industry, giving you the equipment options you want and need in today's competitive work environment, helping you add more value to your bottom line.